Hey guys, welcome to my video. If you're looking to do a Kubernetes certification like CKA, please do subscribe to my channel. I will be your study buddy. I can share my knowledge with you guys. You can ask me your questions and you can correct me if I'm wrong. And I promise you to not waste your time. So please do subscribe. Now that let's get, we got that out of the way. Let's move on to the topic, which is the HCD database. So HCD database is the primary database for Kubernetes, and it's a open source distributed key value store. So as opposed to like an RDBMS database, it's a key value store, and it's got all the cool features that all the databases nowadays offer, like high availability, strong consistency, high throughput, highly secure, reliable, etc. And HCD is one of the main components that run on the master nodes of Kubernetes, and it uses Raft algorithm for selecting its leader, because all the writes go to the leader, and in case of node crashes, like a leader node crash, then there has to be a new leader selection. For that, this Raft algorithm is used. And what does Kubernetes store in this database? It stores the configuration data, like the YAML data that we input to Kubernetes using kubectl commands. Then metadata, it's just data about data. I believe that includes like labels and annotations, and it also stores the actual and desired states of Kubernetes objects like pods. This is really important because HCD offers this cool functionality called watch, and as you guys know, this controller component on the master node, again, it keeps watching the resources that that particular controller is associated with. For example, like a replication controller, monitors how many pods are running, how many replicas are running, and then it keeps watching the actual state of these pods, and it does that through the API server, and API server in turn uses this watch functionality. If that was confusing, let me know. I can explain more on it. And one small detail is basically the default port of this database is 2379. I'll see you guys in my next video with a different topic, and thank you.